How long does it take to make $1,000 on Acorns? It's a question on a lot of people's minds, especially if you're new to the world of investing. The answer isn't a simple one, because it really depends on a few key factors. So, let's break down what you need to consider. First, your initial investment and how much you contribute. Acorns' whole thing is about micro-investing, a little at a time. This could be from spare change with their roundups feature, or with recurring investments. The more you put in, and the more often, the faster you'll reach that $1,000 goal. For example, if you start with just a few dollars a week, it's going to take significantly longer than someone who is able to set up a recurring investment of, say, $50 every single week. It's simple math. The more you add to the pot, the quicker it gets full. Second, the performance of the market. Acorns invests your money into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These funds track different parts of the market. The stock market has historically returned an average of about 10% per year over the long term. But that's an average, and you'll have good years and bad years. A year with strong market growth will speed up your timeline, while a downturn will slow it down. Since you don't control the market, the key here is to be consistent and patient. Don't panic and pull your money out when things go down. Third, and this is a big one, are the fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee for their service. Currently, the fees range from $3 to $12 a month, depending on the plan you choose. While these fees might seem small, they can have a significant impact on a smaller account. If you're only investing your spare change, a $3 monthly fee can eat up a huge chunk of your returns. It's why they often recommend having a consistent recurring investment. It helps offset those fees and lets your money actually grow. So, let's put it all together. There's no magic number of days or months. If you're starting with just a few dollars in roundups, it could take several years to reach that $1,000 mark. But if you're able to invest consistently, say $25 a week, you could potentially reach that goal in a couple of years, assuming a decent market performance. The most important thing to remember is that Acorns is a long-term tool. It's designed to help you build wealth over time by making investing a habit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.